How to send weak videos to Telegram. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Login Helps, and on today's tutorial we will learn how we can send big videos on Telegram. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to get to the video that you want to send in the Telegram, which is large in size. You can either find it in your gallery or in your files in your mobile device. So once you are here, tap on the video that you want to send, select it, tap on the three dot at the top right, then tap on compress. Here you have to enter the name for your compressed file. Then tap on compress. Now once the compressed is done, you can go to view the compressed or the zip file. Here, once you're under compressed file, you will find the file that you have recently compressed. So here is the xyz.zip is the file that I have compressed recently. So once you're here, you have to tap on three dot icon next to the video that you have compressed recently in order to share it to the Telegram. So here tap on share. After that, you have to choose the Telegram, and then you have to choose the account where you want to share the video to. After that, the large size video will be sent in your Telegram. So that's the way to send large video or big videos on Telegram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.